Hi guys, today we're going to go over naming binary molecular compounds or covalent nomenclature. So binary molecular compounds, binary means two, molecular means it has molecules as its subunits. So that means that it's covalent because only covalent things have molecules. So they are compounds between two non-metals. Remember, those are on the right side of the periodic table. The first element in the formula is named first, and it keeps its element name, like carbon, for example, would just be called carbon. And if there is a subscript, like C2, then you're going to use a prefix, which we'll go over in a minute. The second element is then named, and we always use a prefix for the second element, and then we add an "ide" ending. So for example, if there were two chlorines, it would be dichloride. We'll look at that again here in a minute. Here's a list of the prefixes. So 1 is mono, 2 is di, 3 is tri, 4 is tetra, 5 is penta, 6 is hexa, 7 is hepta, 8 is octa, and 9 is nona, and 10 is deca. All right, so we're going to name the first element, which is phosphorus, and there are two of them. So it's going to be diphosphorus, and then oxide is the second one, but there are 5 of them. So it's going to be diphosphorus pentoxide. Notice that we dropped the A on penta because it follows, it's before a vowel, so we don't have a double vowel there. So it's just pentoxide. You guys should recognize CO2, that is carbon. Since there's only one of them and it's the first one, we don't use the prefix mono for the first element. And there are 2 oxygens, so that would be dioxide. So that's carbon dioxide. We knew that. CO, carbon, again, is the first one, and there's only one of them. And now we only have 1 oxygen, so it would be mono for the prefix, but we don't say monoxide, we say carbon monoxide for that one. Okay, and lastly, 2 nitrogens would be dinitrogen. 1 oxygen is monoxide, just like we had up here. So that's dinitrogen monoxide. Here are some for you to try. So think about what these would be written as. Carbon dioxide, we just looked at, that was CO2. Carbon monoxide, that's CO. Diphosphorus pentoxide, that is P2O5. Dinitrogen monoxide, N2O. What about silicon dioxide? SO2, good job. Carbon tetrabromide, that would be CBr4. Sulfur dioxide, that's SO2. Phosphorus pentabromide, that's PBr5. Iodine trichloride, that's ICl3. Nitrogen triiodide, that would be Ni3. We did that one. We did the Lewis structure yesterday. And dinitrogen trioxide would be N2O3. Here they are. So you can check your answers. And let's do the opposite of that. So now we have the formula, let's name them. This would be, there's 2 of them, dinitrogen tetroxide. I had to think about that one. Sulfur trioxide would be the next one. Nitrogen monoxide. Nitrogen dioxide, that's smog, the gray smog that you see in Los Angeles is nitrogen dioxide. Diarsenic pentoxide would be that next one. Phosphorus trichloride, carbon tetrachloride, dihydrogen monoxide. You guys know that as water, but its formal name is dihydrogen monoxide. And lastly, selenium hexafluoride. Let's check. Yep, we got them all correct, and hopefully you guys did too. We'll be going over these and doing a lot more practice tomorrow. So go ahead and take a look at the slides that I will attach to the assignment, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Have a great day.